Here's why I think that the Titanic's whistle might have sounded like this. In 1912. So when I was editing this video right here, I was messing with the whistles of Titanic and Olympic. I wanted to see what Titanic's whistle would have sounded like at a lower pitch, and it ended up sounding like this. I thought it sounded right, because when I sounded Olympic's whistle at a higher pitch it sounded a bit similar to Titanic's. Here is a comparison. I already know that not everyone will think it sounds like that. But this is just my thoughts on what she could sound like. I also think that some whistles have a lower pitch on steam.